Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to enable Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's choose accessibility, and here we've got the Talkback, so simply tap on it. As you can see now it is turned off. In order to activate that, simply click on that switcher right here. Now you will have to allow the Talkback to have full control of your device, so let's allow. And as you can hear, we've got the Talkback mode on. Let me show you how to navigate. If you want to choose, for example, this back button and get back to the previous settings, simply tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the green frame, and after that, simply double tap. As you can see, we just got back to accessibility settings. Now let me show you how to swipe. You can choose from two options. First one is simply swipe by using two fingers. And as you can see, we are swiping freely. Maybe not. We are swiping freely. And if you want, we've got the second option. Use two fingers also, but this way. As you can see, now we can swipe also. In order to turn off the Talkback, simply tap on it, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, and click on stop, and double tap again. As you can see, we just got back to normal mode, so that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.